Hi guys, I just returned from a shop and we will do unboxing. So I shop at Wisma, Dollar Store, Scarlet. I don't even know what's Scarlet. Basta, it's a store. And then some pasalubong and some jewelry. Okay, I think it will be a little long, so please fast forward. Thank you. Okay, then first up is I have so much pabango kasi bili ng driver namin to buy something and they want female pabango. I don't think they will like it, but this is my pasalubong to them. I won't make them pay na kasi this is like $5 lang naman. This is my pasalubong to them na. Yeah. Charan! Thanks! It's gonna be long, so I don't want it. I bought some Colgate. Wala lang. This is for family lang kasi when I was buying, I was like, oh no, my baggage allowance. And I think I will over, so I will hand carry some. I bought this. It smells so good. And this. And I bought two. For family. Secret. Who will I give it? Whatever. Yan! Then, oh yeah. I have something too. I'll show you everything I buy. Let me show you what I've been doing with my life. Sorry guys, give me a moment. If you can only see my bed, it's so crowded. Oh, this is the receipt from yesterday. See, I spent too much. It was like, I'd rather spend like 8,000 or 10. I think 10. That's bad. Okay, let's continue. Wait, something is missing. Something is missing. Okay. What? Okay, so yeah. Some prickly heat. My mom said buy snake brand. So I bought this one. I got serum. Sorry. 2, 3, 8, 4, 5.